Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. It's Monday. Finishing coffee, and I do have a lot of work to do today. So yesterday was Sunday, and I ended up cleaning out my shed. I am not ready for the day, by the way. And so let me show you how that looks. It's a little better than what I thought it was gonna look like. So we got through it yesterday. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Just a couple things in here yet. Started doing things like cleaning up the flower beds. I still have to get in there and get more of that out. Cleaned this out yesterday. I am gonna remove this plant. And started cleaning these. Oh, oops, sorry. So we got our little pile here, and look at what came back. My rose bushes are doing real well from after the freeze that we had. This hollyhock just keeps coming back, probably for 2 years now. Nothing's ever happened besides that. And I'm curious if this eggplant's gonna come back. Oh, nope, okay, finally we got the roots out. Okay, we're good, that's down. And I had thought this other rose bush didn't make it, but look it is coming back. And I believe this is a yellow one. Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday. It is actually a different Sunday than I think I was recording the last Sunday. It is I think it's the 9th. Let me look. Yes, it's the 9th. It's actually a nice chilly day. I love it cold. Being from Wisconsin, I do not like the Texas hot weather. So it's 54 degrees right now and windy, and I love it. Today I actually am going to get our yard all mowed, weeded, and I have big ruts in my driveway. So I have to repair like 2 different places. I bought some sand just to kind of build it up a little bit. And then I have some soil in some of my pots that I need to get emptied. And then I bought the sod to go on top. And we're going to just cross our fingers that it does well. So that is kind of my day today. Just nothing but a cleanup day in this cool, cold weather. Well, we got the front yard done. And now I'm just trying to get through the backyard, and ugh, what a mess. I got grass all over me. I feel like this is taking forever. So I'm like doing a major clean out. Keep this in mind, and everything's getting removed, weeded out. Certain beds are getting cleared out, and that soil is getting added to other beds. Let me, I guess, show you what I'm talking about. Oh, I'm gonna be so sore later tonight, and I'm gonna be really tired. So over here, I just got all the soil out and been putting it in buckets. I have been adding it to places where it's really in need, and it's looking a lot better now. And here's another area that is finally full. So we'll put this back in there. And my yellow rose bush is looking really good. That's pretty yellow. Look at all the buds. Lots of beautiful buds on it. And this one is a red one. I think the tag's still on it, actually. Actually, it's kind of like a peachy, dark orange color. And now we'll kind of work on this area here. I do have some mulch that will fill in here later. Just getting everything cleaned up with my little helpers. All right, so we got all this stuff together and empty, cleaned out. Just finished emptying my stock tank pond. That is 100 gallon. And we're gonna go ahead and get all that swept up, like old nasty leaves, and dirt, and scrub the stock tank pond out here next as well. Well, my little blower battery needed to be charged, so I have to wait. This is just soil. I had a lot of dust, dirt, and leaves under here. So once my battery charges, we'll go ahead and get everything cleaned up again. Okay, so let me just show you what I finished up Just little touches, that's it. So you already saw this, got this kind of cleaned up, added some soil. I bought 2 annuals from Lowe's today on the clearance little area just to add a little pop of some color with the flowers. This had an eggplant in it, never did anything besides nice green vines. So I had a mum that did come back, and I decided to plant it in here. I had 2 bags of pine mulch, so we added that. And here was another clearance Lowe's flower just to add a little bit of color for now. And just weeded everything out as you see there. So I've been out here working since about 9 o'clock this morning, and it's 4:30. So I'm pretty tired. I just took a little bit of a lunch break. But at least everything is mowed, trimmed. Flower beds. Dee Dee, come here. Dee Dee's in the mulch digging. Dee Dee, come here. Such a clown. And my stock tank is completely cleaned out, washed out. Let me show you that. If you can see it in here, it is empty. And I just have a big little brush and added a little Dawn soap and just scrubbed it real good. I mean, obviously you see there's some spots there that are just not going to go away. And that's about it for today, guys. I hope you subscribe to my channel, follow my journey. There is a lot more to come that I can't tell you. I'm going to be doing a video on Wednesday. And so stay tuned for more. Have a great day. Bye.